Hi, third grade. We're going to start a project today that I hope you're really going to enjoy. We're going to learn another of the Microsoft Office Suite programs. Today we're going to start learning about Microsoft Excel. It comes packaged with PowerPoint, Publisher, and Word in what's called the Microsoft Office Suite. This program is a great way to organize information, lists, numbers, and even does some math for you, can help you with that. So we're going to open Microsoft Excel from the desktop icon. You can see Miss McCarty uses an awful lot of Excel. These are recent documents I've used Microsoft Excel for. You're going to click on Blank Workbook today. You'll notice the ribbon across the top looks a lot like the ribbon we've seen in the other Microsoft programs like Word and Publisher. We've got our Home tab, Insert, and some other tabs across the top. On the Home tab, you'll see that same old font group of tools where we can change the font size, color, fill, and bold, italicize our text. We aren't going to be using this today. You will notice that the body of the software looks different. The page is divided into vertical columns, each labeled with an alphabet letter. The page is divided horizontally in rows, each labeled with a number. The columns and rows intersect or cross, making these rectangles. These are called cells. When you double-click a cell, you get your cursor. You can enter text, numbers, even math directions, and it will automatically calculate for you. Well, today we're going to start a fun project that is usually memorable for third graders because it does involve a little snack. But I will tell you, if you talk while the teaching's happening or you're not a good direction follower, the teacher gets to eat your goldfish crackers. In cell A1, we're going to double-click and get our cursor, and we're going to type the color word orange. To move down to the next cell, you can hit the Enter key on the keyboard. You can also click around with the mouse, and you can also use the keyboard's arrow keys. We're going to type the color words orange, green, yellow, and purple. You might notice I made a couple spelling errors. You will know that Microsoft Word and Microsoft Publisher have spell check, so let's see if Microsoft Excel has spell check. It's on the Review tab in the other programs, so let's check that Review tab out. Wow, there it is. Please make sure you spell check after you have typed your 4 color words. Whoops, I forgot my second E for green. Change my misspelling. Choose the suggestion that's the word you meant and click Change. There we go. I'm all set now. The teacher will pass out a paper towel to use as a napkin for each of you and give you half a cup of goldfish crackers. Your job is to sort the crackers by color. Count how many orange, green, yellow, and purple goldfish you have. In each cell, type how many crackers you had of that color. Once you've done this, please gather up your paper towel and crackers, come to the rug, and eat your snack. The teacher has an introductory video about Microsoft Excel that she will show you while you munch your fish. Now I'm going to show you how to save your work so we can add more to it next week. Just like in the other Microsoft programs, we go up and click the File menu. Since this is the first time we've saved this project, we use Save As. We're going to then click the yellow folder and browse to our folder. On the left pane, go down the row and click your lunch number folder. Now, Microsoft Excel is not really good at naming your files for you. Book 1. Ugh, that's a terrible name. Click in the file name text field, backspace book 1, and we're going to put the name graph. Remember, graph is one of those funny words that has PH making the F sound at the end. Type graph, save. You'll see it renamed my document up here. Then exit and log off. I can't wait to see you next session.